Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color a cute house scene with a bright sun, fluffy clouds, and a big tree. Get your markers ready, and let's start. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's begin by drawing the house. First, draw a big triangle for the roof. Now draw a rectangle underneath the roof. This is the main part of our house. For the door, draw a rounded rectangle near the bottom of the house. Let's add a window. Draw a square or rectangle and divide it into 4 parts. Add a tiny heart shape on the door as a doorknob to make it look even cuter. Draw a chimney on the roof by stacking 2 small rectangles. Next to the house, draw a big tree with a thick trunk and lots of leafy branches. In the sky, draw a large circle for the sun. Add rays around it. And give it personality by drawing eyes and a smiley face. Finally, let's add a few fluffy clouds around the sun. Our drawing is complete, but let's make it pop. Go over all the lines again with the black marker to make them bold and sharp. Now it's time to add some color. Let's make this scene bright and cheerful. Show your markers and let's color each part together. Red color. Wow! Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Brown color. color. Use blue again. Wow, our house scene looks amazing. Great job, everyone. Thanks for drawing and coloring with us today. Don't forget to share your artwork with friends and family. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub.
Yay!
Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.